Hello, I'm Nathaniel Neidhart, and this is going to be my first aid kit for boys' health and PE. So what it contains is burn dressings, insect sting relief, gauze pads, dressings, ice packs, compress dressings, more gauze, but in a cloth form, first aid tape, scissors, tweezers, large patch band-aids, and aseptic cream. So overall in this whole kit there's about 54 items, and my father works in industry, so he had to have one of these in his office or in his car due to any emergency medical reasons. The items that were a little bit hard to get was a protective airway mask, the burn dressings, and the ice packs and compress dressings. The one things I would like to get for future reference would be put some needle and thread in here, maybe a couple of fold down splints, and a tourniquet. So that's going to be it for all. I'm Nathaniel Neidhart, and this is my first aid kit.